lovely note.
I'll have to go upstairs.
Yeah, they're going back up.
Nobody he'd take his place.
Oops. Slippers. Almost fell down
Kitten.
He's quite happy with his daddy. Yeah.
They're the same colour
there. Well, you
though.
go back up there and lay back down where they were.
Yeah. What are you sniffing your daddy's ass for?
I'm a homosexual.
No, he's let him lean on him. He's happy.
What are you licking daddy's ass for? Oh,
actually?
yeah. Sniffing daddy's ass.
You don't like that.
He's quite happy.
I can't believe how big his face has got.
He's put a lot of weight on. He's doubled in weight.
No, but you need to calm down.
Yeah, but he goes out and people
How
feed
do you
him.
get them big cheeks like that?
People feed him. I mean, he's getting fed. You
Oh,
know.
they're bonding, aren't they?
Yeah.
He doesn't mind him.
Billy don't mind anyone. He's a gentle cat.
He's purring.
Oh, that's so sad to see little Teddy go, isn't it?
Yeah.
But he's just such a character.
Oh yeah. There's only one Teddy.
Yeah, you're going back upstairs.
That little one seemed quite happy there.
He does.
And you tried putting them together.